I will explain why now is the perfect time for the adoption of real-world assets. We just had an amazing live event organized by INX and Chainwire. INX is a really well-known security token exchange in US, and they organize awesome live events. And today we had more than 400 people tuning in to listen. And they brought in some really legends and superstars, and me as well. And to the audience, I really wanted to get a clear point across why now, right now, is the perfect time for the adoption of real-world assets. There are actually two reasons why now the timing is absolutely perfect for the adoption of real-world assets. The first thing that happened actually occurred in the crypto industry. Today, the yield or return that you can get on your stablecoin or your cryptos is effectively zero. A year ago, a lot of the DeFi and CeFi service providers actually promised you high yields if you put your stablecoins or cryptos with them or if you staked with them. There was a lot of DeFi protocols that told you you're going to get 10% return, 20, 30, 40%, 100% return if you put your cryptos, your stablecoins with them. Likewise, a lot of CeFi service providers like BlockFi, Voyager, Celsius, Genesis, Gemini also promised you high yields if you staked or put your stablecoins and cryptos with them. Today, we know that actually all of those yields and returns were completely unsustainable or in many cases, outright scams. That means that today, the yield that you can actually get in the crypto world on your stablecoins or the cryptos is actually zero. On the other side, something extremely important happened in the real world, in TradFi. During the last year, the central banks have increased the interest rates quite a lot. The US central bank, the Fed, has actually raised the interest rate from 0 to pretty much 6%. And today, the yield or the return that you can get by investing into short-term treasuries is about 6% as well. And this has actually created a massive change because a lot of now of these real-world investment opportunities are actually highly attractive. Summarize, yield in the crypto world went to 0, but the yield in the real world went from 0 to 5 and 6%. That means actually that today, the yields and the returns that you can get from real-world asset investment opportunity is actually quite high, which makes real-world asset investment opportunities extremely interesting, and that makes the timing for the adoption of the real-world assets perfect right now. Thanks a lot again to the INX and Chainwire guys for inviting me to the live event. It was awesome. And once again, to conclude, now is the perfect time for the adoption of real-world assets. Let's get to work and let's build some awesome stuff in the crypto industry. Thanks a lot and see you soon.